That's enough. That's enough, though. Clean this up. Should I do both or red? Double is always the best. Because first is the worst, second is the best, third is the one with the wedding dress. Okay, so first we have this. I don't know why, but for some reason they added like this keychain. Why would you want a keychain? It's like a heavy pocket for a backpack to go on. But I do adore these pops. They're really crisp. And then on the back side, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look at the snow. Okay. And then I put that keychain back on. I might as well not. And then we have this humongous poppet. First of all, still, why is there a keychain for this poppet? Like, it's so massive. It has 144 pops. See what the pops are. I also got it from the barn that I go to ride my pony named Pumpkin. And he's really cute, but sometimes naughty. And so they were like letting us like take some stuff home. We took a little bit, but I think this was my favorite thing I took home. It helps with multiplication, but I don't really use it for that effect because I already know multiplication really well. So I'm really good at it. And I'm gonna talk to you about my dimples. Okay, dimple time. Get all my 3 dimples. Nobody can see them. That one of them is like broken, kind of. Yeah, I'm gonna hide. There's okay. There's the way. First step, we have. This is my least favorite one that I have, but I have a butterfly one that I think that looks better. It's way more cuter than these like colors. So yeah, but this one. Hold on, let's do the ASMR test real quick. And so this one's perfectly fine. Still, I don't know why they add this wackadoodle keychain to everything. It's like you can't even put it on. Second, I have a good story for this one. So I was playing with it in my room, pushed like this, like this, and then I cut it off because I didn't want the ears to come off. So whatever you call it. Antennas. Fidget test. Ready? It looks kind of shiny. It's like oily for some reason. Yeah. Good one. This one, I have a great big story. So this unicorn one, first of all, why do they add this keychain again? We don't need the keychain, people. Like, literally, why would you need the keychain? Okay, so first, my friend gave it to me. Traded her this, like, let me grab it. Because I have, like, multiple of these mochi things, but they traded me. I was like, can I trade? Well, they asked to trade, but I traded him kind of like this little bunny, but it was a chick. A yellow chick. I traded that for this. And like, it's massive compared to that. I love it so much. an ASMR test. Wait, hold on. The best is for last. I can ASMR with this keychain. That's not ASMR. I probably don't think that is. I don't know. Okay, Buddy's just gonna stay on there. Buddy keychain. Why do they have these keychains like this? So, yeah, pop, fast. Hold on, this is ruining it. Jingle bells. Okay, let's try that again. Yes, that's so good. Oh, I was going to talk about this earlier in the video, but I got too carried away. And if you are wondering what that is, I'll explain to you. So, I got this ghost in a pumpkin thing from Claire's. Came out, popped. Now, so when it pops, you keep it. Because basically this is kind of a fidget. We're just going to leave the shell aside. But this ghost, it's happy. You can put it on your finger. Hello. You can also pop it. Like a poppet. And I love it so much. Like seriously, so much. Like I don't know why though. It's like my new poppet. I can hardly reach. I have so many fidgets. Like so. Man. Let me get everything. I'm just gonna kick that. There you go. There you go. Why did I forget to get it over? I don't know. And I'm just very happy about this. So, there's this fidget toy called a PBJ and a Jelly Room. I don't have like one. But this sounds exactly like ASMR. And it's so pretty. And it's like mini Orbeez too. I have 3 different ones. This is the most strongest one. But then this hardly sounds like anything. Oh, here we go. Finally made its noise. This I'm going to talk about. Okay. This and the music. Where did it go now? These are the ones I'm going to talk about. And then now. And there's a random ramen from a ramen noodle. Okay. First, let's move that to the side. I don't care about that. Why are you here? Okay. So, I'm going to move him. Her. I'm going to let them stare at y'all. Yeah, they're going to do that. Buddies are going to stare. Okay, first, how's this, buddy? There we go. So first we have this water wiggler. My only water wiggler. 2 of them popped. They're like the cheap ones you get at Walmart. But it's really cute. So it starts with this. Like pink like pepper kind of. Pink like happy pepper. But then it's like a not cooked. Then it turns to a cooked one with like I think mustard on it. Yeah, it's mustard. And then we also have this is next. So I got this from my math group at school, and because They literally laid out all of the same ones I had. This was the only one I didn't have. So, might as well go with this one. It's so cool right now. I don't know. Comment down below, what do you think? It's a radish or a strawberry? Because, like, it has this, like, white part. And it was there when I got it. So, I don't know what it is. But I think it's strawberry. So, I'm going to go with strawberry. Okay, let's get an ASMR moment for this one. Okay, now we have this fish. We're gonna get an ASMR. Okay, that's an ASMR moment. Now we can be loud. Okay, first, it's tail. Second, I got it from Five Below, the new one. And third, my dad's mom got it for me. And I love the color. Look at that beautiful color. Well, I was like this. You can't see the color, and my hand's popping. It's so and then we have this. Has a wonderful story of the year. Has a butt. ASMR. His butt. He's gonna just be twerking. And don't mind that. I got it up first. Okay, next is Big Fella Froggy. It's a shaven cream filled with yeah, that's what it sounds like. Pop, 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 pop. I got it from Five Below. Best squishy ever. Like, the paint never rips off, and it's shaving cream filled, and it's jumbo. They have this husky, but they ran out, and I also had like this seal that I wanted, but I had to pick one, so I picked this froggy, and he was the good froggy. Some of them were opened up, but then which one do I like better? Okay. So this froggy is next, like this. Sounds like the PBJ ASMR. And it has like kind of medium-sized Orbeez in it, like miniature medium size. But it's from Five Below. You can get it in a pack. I got it from my mouth group. Same with this one. This one has like the duck. And this is like the exact same color. Tell me. Hold up. Let me get a good close-up. Tell me that's not the same color. Well, this one is brighter because I got it. Like, it's newer. Okay. Well, there's one more squishy to talk about. And then it's to the end. And so, yeah. And then, oh. I don't need you. There you go. He's off the screen. Okay. My goodness, we're gonna stay there. My cup to the here. There we go. Okay. ASMR moment. Bye. And so we're gonna end the video now, but this has like pom-poms in it, and like foam beads in it, and like blue stuff in it. We're gonna end the video in a couple seconds. So bye guys. Subscribe. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn your notification on. Bye.